Hey, yeah.
Have you ever felt like you was at the end of the road? Feeling like you gotta muster up energy just to stay 10 toes. Don't worry about what people say, just stay on your grind like every day.
Like every day,
every day.
All stuff, my car just broke down, but the sun is out, I'm feeling good, yeah, I was about to clown. Guess I got time for me to slow down, take a minute and peep the scene, organize all my thoughts, I let linger, trying to sort out everything that means something to me in this bigger scheme. It's a big world, it goes on whether you hear or not, whether you fit the fold or you fit the plot. Take flight, live your life, cause you only get one life. What's your plight? Choose a path that's conducive, cause you know it's right. If I don't know nothing, then I know something. Lean back, meditate as I hit this peace pipe. Your history is your future, but it don't have to hold you back. This is true facts. Keep your mind focused, stay intact, even if the load of the world is laying heavy on your back. Only doing what serves me. Now bring it back, bring it back.
Have you ever felt like you was at the end of the road? Feeling like you gotta muster up energy just to stay 10 toes. Don't worry about what people say, just stay on your grind like every day.
Like every day,
every day.
I was the one that held you down when there was no place to go, when it was rain, when it was snow, when you was paid, when you was broke. Had you smoking on some pack, maybe some men, maybe some Joe. And then them days you had beef, I was the one trained to go. I told you that your main bitch was playing you, she was a hoe. Didn't believe me until you seen messages on my phone. You were sick, but I still kept it 100. Said money over bitches, you said bitches over money. You were serious, but I thought shit was funny. I still show love when there was no love for me. Told you go to my mom's crib when you got hungry. Even put you on with them hoes, but don't be lovey-dovey. Bro, you was blind to the fact a nigga kept it real. We always got it poppin', but went harder off the pills. Was like Reese and Dirk when it was time to do a drill. Guess you forgot, guess you ain't know how to keep it real.
Have you ever felt like you was at the end of the road? Feel like you gotta muster up energy just to stay 10 toes. Don't worry about what people say, just stay on your grind like every day. Every day.